Hey guys, welcome to yet another AML tutorial, and in this particular tutorial we're gonna figure out some of the models that you can use for free with your Ollama account or your Ollama desktop application. So in this video we will see what are those actually free models which are free to use, and what are the hidden charges, or let's say the limitations for these free models which you can use on the Ollama platform. So without wasting much time, let us launch your Ollama desktop and see what are those free models. So as you can see, I have launched my Ollama desktop application, and as you can see right here, I have started a new chat. And now within this chat, if you will see, I have different options for these models, which you can see right here. So this includes the GLM 5.2, the cloud variant, the Kimi K 2.7, MiniMax, Nemotron, Gamma 4, and Quen 3.6 as well. So now from here we can definitely access some of the models which are basically free to use but with limit caps, and those models are the Minimax and the Nemotron 3. So for example, let's say if I select the GLM 5.2, and let's say if I type anything, I send this message, it will eventually hit a 403 forbidden error, and it says that this model requires a subscription upgrade for access at Ollama/upgrade, and then the reference ID. So basically, these are the paid models that you will need to use. If you wish to use them, you will need to pay a subscription fee. And similarly, for the Kimi K2.7 code, as you can see right here again, it has again hit 403 forbidden. And let's say if I now switch to the Minimax M3.cloud, I will simply type it. And you can see that instead of receiving the 4.3 error, it has actually responded me this time. So yes, because these are the free models. And apart from that, we also have the NVIDIA's Nemotron 3. If I type hi to this, and you can see that it actually replies, but also before thinking for 2.8 seconds. So yes, it is a more better advanced version of the same. So using the NVIDIA Nemotron 3 and Minimax for free through the Ollama desktop is actually a great perk, but it also comes with specific hard boundaries because these models are running via Ollama Cloud Proxy rather than the exclusively on your local hardware. So you actually face infrastructure and usage restrictions like the Ollama Cloud free tier cap. So because NVIDIA and Minimax host these massive models on their own remote enterprise levels servers for Ollama users, they actually do meter your usage. So the first thing is the GPU time quota. So Ollama tracks usage by GPU computing time rather than token counts. So if you use the models heavily in a single day, you will eventually trigger a 403. This model requires a subscription error that we saw above for these particular models, which require a paid subscription to be used. And the free pool refreshes dynamically, but to bypass this permanently, you will have to eventually upgrade to a paid Ollama Pro or a Max plan. Then there is the strict concurrency queuing. So if you use multi-agent workflows like connecting Ollama to autonomous workspace tools, you will also hit a major bottleneck there. So the free tier strictly limits you to one active model stream at a time. And if an external coding assistant tries to ping Nemotron and Minimax simultaneously, the second request is forced to wait in a queue. And although the paid tiers unlock 3 to 10 concurrent streams, and then there are also the rate limits and session expiry as well. So to prevent server abuse from free API keys, Ollama enforces strict request limits like 200 requests per hour. So basically, text requests are throttled if you hit the API endpoints too quickly in short succession. And then we also have the cyclic resets as well. So, like free usage caps are calculated based on rolling 7-day weekly cycle. So, if you burn through your allowances early in the week, the models will lock up until the cycle rolls over. And also, there is a little bit of offline privacy as the data leaves your machine. So, because the standard Ollama models like the Llama or Mistral run locally and never send your data anywhere, when using the Nemotron 3 Super or the Minimax M2.5 Cloud, your input travels across the internet to remote servers. So, definitely do not paste highly sensitive company source code or private personal data into these specific cloud-backed free windows. So this was pretty much it about these open source alternatives that we talked about. Basically, these free uh, models that you can use on Ollama. There are a couple number of more, but for now we have discovered these. You can obviously search the web for more out there. So that was pretty much it about this particular video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you and you learned how to use free models without actually either having to download them or requiring a subscription, then make sure that you like this video. Do let us know in the comments if this helped you. And also do share it with your friends or family who are interested in AI and learning about the same. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.